BMW M760Li, xDrive with V12 engine turbo. After the success of the M performance models, here's the latest BMW M760Li xDrive. Years of researches and hard-working past from the world's best engineers and experts working in BMW M division to produce such a car. 12 cylinders engine got a capacity of 5,592 cc, develops 448 kilowatts or 610 horsepower at 5,500 revolutions per minute, and torque of 800 Nm, 590 pounds-feet, from as low down as 1,550 revolutions per minute.